It is the ultimate no trespassing sign of the universe. Imagine you're floating in the deep ink of space. It's quiet, peaceful, but then you feel a tug. Not a violent jerk, but a subtle, persistent pull on your boots. You aren't just drifting anymore, you're falling. And the destination is a place where the laws of physics don't just bend, they break. You're headed for a black hole. Right now, you're approaching the event horizon. In a documentary, we'd call it a gravitational boundary. But let's be real, it's the edge of a cosmic blender. Think of a massive waterfall. Far upstream, the water is smooth. You can row away if you try hard enough. But there is a line, a single invisible inch, where the water moves faster than you can row. Once you cross that line, you can scream, you can fire your thrusters, you can pray. It doesn't matter. The light reflecting off your suit is now trapped with you. To the rest of the world, you've just stepped off the map of reality. This is where things get uncomfortable. Space-time is stretching, and it's taking you with it. It's called Spaghettification. It sounds like a joke, but the reality is a nightmare. Because your feet are just a few feet closer to the center than your head, the gravity on your toes, it's thousands of pounds stronger than the pull on your hair. You are being turned into a human noodle. Like a piece of dough in a master chef's hands, you are being pulled, thinned, and elongated into a ribbon of atoms miles long. You aren't being crushed yet. You're being unraveled. But here is the truly haunting part. If your friend is watching you from the ship, they never actually see you fall in. Because gravity warps time, they see you slow down. To them, you become a frozen photograph, stuck on the edge of the abyss, turning a deep, ghostly red before fading into nothing.